Hey guys, Michael McAllister here. I wanted to dive into Empower LO and show you guys a feature that you guys might not be taking advantage of, but that you probably should be. Okay, we all know that Google is the best place to market your mortgage business online, based on the intent, based on people actively searching for what it is that you provide. Right now, we are helping you kind of corner the PPC market in your area, right? And so that PPC stands for pay per click. This is the pay to play component of what we do for you. This is the ad spend that you pay to Google. Now, what if we could generate higher intent leads organically from Google? And so leads that you don't have to pay for. Okay, what if we could do that? Obviously, that's a super positive thing, right? Anytime we can put effort in now that's going to pay dividends long term without us having to continue to pay money for it, my ears are going to perk up and say, hey, this sounds like a good opportunity. So you guys, if you haven't heard by now, Google My Business is a great way for you to have an organic presence on Google. If you're not familiar with Google My Business, if you haven't set up a Google My Business profile, head over to business.google.com. Do that step first before you do anything else. The rest of this is not going to make a ton of sense for you. But if you have a Google My Business profile, which most of you should, I want to show you how to link this up to your Empower LO account and how you can use your Empower LO account to help you drive traffic in the form of getting more referrals more frequently. More reviews more frequently. So let's check this out, okay? First thing that we're going to do, we're going to head over to settings. Then we're going to go to integrations, okay? Once we're in integrations, you might already have a Google account linked up here from when we set your account up. We like to link up the Google account that you have linked to your Google Ads account as often as possible, because this allows you to do some cool stuff as far as visualizing reports, right? So if we go in here, okay. So this is an example of what the report looks like when you link that up. So if you don't have that linked up, here's another call to action for you. Head over into integrations. If you see this right here, see how it just switched. If you see where it says sign in with Google, but you don't see any of this other stuff, then you got to sign in to Google first. Okay, you might not manage this. Might not manage your Google My Business profile from the same Google account that you manage your AdWords with, or that you have linked to the AdWords account. Maybe we asked you to set it up under a different email address so that we didn't trip any like payment fraud alerts or anything like that that can be common with Google if you're using the same account for multiple things. But either way, you can sign in with multiple Google accounts. You see the sign in with Google button here. I can go in and I can add another Google account into here, even though there's already one here. Once I add the Google account that has the Google My Business profile that I want, it will prompt me to add the businesses that I want to add to HighLevel once I sign in with my Google account. So if it's not as self-explanatory as I am making it sound, please reach out. This is something we can help you with. Hit us at the chat bubble. However you want to reach out to Corey, shoot me an email, respond to this, whatever you need. We're here for you. So that being said, this is where you're going to set up the integration. And then obviously here is where you set up the integration first with your Google account here, and then this will be available, and then you're going to link it here. Now, once that's done, you'll know that it's done if you head over to reputation, and you can see that this reflects the amount of reviews that you have. You can see the latest reviews that you have. You can see the volume of reviews that you're getting. You can change this view based on this year, last 6 months, this month, last week, etc. Again, a lot of cool stuff in here as far as just being able to track your Google My Business reviews. But what about getting more Google My Business reviews? Well, you can use the tool in here that's built in where it says send review request. This one's really easy. It's not very complicated logic-wise. And so if you're wanting to use some of the advanced logic functionality of Empower LO, being able to say, hey, if they click on the link but don't give me a review, then do this, or if they do this, then do that. You're not going to be able to do it with this send review request functionality. However, this is a really quick way if you're not into the automation, if you're not into setting up workflows. This is a really quick way that you can send somebody a review request just by going in here, boom, and then it's going to map the email or phone number, and I can send a review invite like that. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do that. I'm in a client's account right now, but you can see how easy that is. If you want to see the message that's going out, you're probably Yeah. If you want to see the message that's going out, then you're going to want to add yourself basically as a contact and see it go out. Or you can just skip that because it's probably not any good. And you can click customize review SMS and you can come in here and add your message right here. Even add a picture if you want to send a picture of your family or of your refrigerator empty, something, whatever it is that you want to do. To get that review in. So again, this is one way that you can do it. Other thing you can do in here, you can generate a link at any time. I know a lot of loan officers struggle to get reviews because when they're texting with somebody, they're like, "Yeah, send me a link." You don't necessarily have that link handy. No problem. Generate the link right here. Copy, paste, and it'll take you directly to who that is, and it's going to open up a review right there. So again, this is something that can be really powerful for your business if you're leveraging it properly. Expect to see more of these videos kind of showing you some other features of Empower LO that you might not be using because there's a lot of power in this. And if you have the ability to leverage them, if you are tech forward in your business and you want to see your point of leverage increase, then leaning on this system is going to be a huge, huge value to you. So to you and your business. So anyways, great talking to you guys. We'll talk to you soon.